Minasan, this is your man Nitete, aka Boom Boom. Minasan Nitete this, aka Boom Boom. Kiomo, starting up pan logo. Yeah, we are on 2 pan logo. Okay, so as I always said, if you have 1, it's okay. If you have 2, that's pretty fine. Okay, it's just that you can, create some song, some rhythm, and enjoy it. So let me give you some 2 pan logo rhythm. Okay, solo. Minasa pan no pan logo no solo this. So let's go. Boom! Yes, so this is how you can enjoy your 2 pan logo too. You can play millions of rhythm. I'll come again with another rhythm. Minasan, kona kanji pan logo tatu areba, iko mo areba. Boom boom! See you.